roadside impairment detection enforcement officer. Yeah. How much alcohol do you have today?
A little bit.
Okay. Are you willing to do some field sobriety tests for me and make sure you're okay to drive?
No.
Put your hands on your back. Okay. Tammy, 10:15.
Hi, I'm Officer with the Franklin Police Department. Which vehicle is yours? Ram, right there. Okay. Okay. Do you have proof of insurance and registration?
Yeah.
On October 23, 2025, in Franklin, Tennessee, police body camera footage captured the moment a minor traffic collision led to suspicions that the driver was driving under the influence of alcohol. The following body cam footage shows the entire process at the scene.
He tried to get away.
What's that?
He tried to get away.
How so?
He was behind me. He ran into me. So I'm on the phone talking to the dispatcher. Then he whoops around, but he comes to a dead end. That's how we ended up right here. We was up there at the light. He ran into it. He couldn't go nowhere.
Okay, I see.
But my
license, registration, proof of insurance.
Come on over here. Okay, guys, so listen. Here's the deal. In the state of Tennessee, so first of all, I'm Officer Spry with the traffic unit. In the state of Tennessee, there's two reasons why law enforcement doesn't do crash reports, okay? One is if it's on private property, which obviously this is not. It was on a public roadway. The other is if there's less than $1,500 worth of damage per vehicle. So, that being said, there's obviously less than $1,500 worth of damage per vehicle. So what I'm going to have y'all do is I'm going to have y'all swap information, okay? So, you're going to take pictures or write down each other's insurance information, your driver's license, and your phone numbers, okay? And then y'all are each going to take pictures of the damage. And then
At the scene, one of the drivers claimed the other had hit his car and tried to leave before getting stuck in the dead end. Police asked both drivers for identification and explained that the collision was not serious enough to warrant an accident report, forcing them to exchange insurance information themselves.
you can call the insurance companies, okay? Yes, sir.
What damage?
There is a small dent right here.
You want to get that insurance and registration?
All good? So, you need to take pictures? Or I did?
Both of y'all need to take pictures because hey, sir.
Registration?
Yeah, we can. I'll take care of this.
I'm Advanced Roadside Impairment Detection Enforcement Officer.
Yeah.
How much alcohol do you have today?
A little bit.
Okay. Are you willing to do some field sobriety tests for me and make sure you're okay to drive?
No.
Put your hands on your back. Okay. Tammy, 10:15.
Hold on. I'm going to take stuff out of your hands.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Hold on one second, I'm going to pat you down. Do you have anything in your pocket that's going to hurt me, poke me, or stick me?
Yes, sir.
Spread your feet apart for me. Okay, buddy. Hang on one second. I'm going to take this watch off. because it's going to really hurt if those handcuffs pinch against that watch. Okay, let's walk over here to my patrol car.
When the officer checked for signs of impaired driving, the pickup driver admitted to consuming alcohol, but refused to be tested on the spot. Police immediately detained him as per procedure and conducted a safety check before placing him in a patrol car.
Yeah, that's
Hey, sir. Can I ask you a question? How much alcohol have you had today?
No.
Don't lie to me. I'm an advanced roadside impairment detection enforcement officer. How much alcohol have you had today?
A little bit.
Okay. Are you willing to do some field sobriety tests for me to make sure you're okay to drive?
No.
Put your hands on your back. Tammy, 10:15.
I'm gonna take stuff out of your hands.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Hold on 1 second, I'm gonna pat you down. Do you have anything in your pocket that's gonna hurt me, poke me, or stick me?
No, sir.
Trigger figure part for me. Okay, buddy. Hang on 1 second. I'm gonna take this watch off because it's going to really hurt if those handcuffs pinch against that watch. Okay, buddy. Let's walk over here to my patrol car. This one right here. We're gonna get on the passenger side. Watch your head getting in. I'll turn the air on for you, okay?
The video ends with the driver being placed in a police car and driven away from the scene. The incident serves as a reminder of the importance of obeying traffic laws and avoiding driving under the influence of alcohol to ensure everyone's safety.